Becca's beauty, our hearts hold high. Golden sands, the ocean's cry, while storm clouds roll in, bidding the sun goodbye. The river turns where the ocean meets, sun-kissed sands where the warmth repeats. Laughter floats on a salty breeze as shadows rise above the trees.
Umbrellas bloom like a canvas boat, stories written in colors untold. Yet from the west the clouds take flight, whispering change in the fading light.
Oh, Betka Beach, your tales unfold. Summer's warmth, the storm's cold hold. Azure skies turn to twilight gray, a masterpiece born of night and day.
Winds that call, they bend the trees, a haunting song across the seas. Beauty fleeting, yet held in frame, the pulse of nature's timeless game.
Summer's warmth, the storm's cold hold. As your skies turn to twilight gray, a masterpiece born of night and day. Oh, Betka Beach, your tales unfold. Summer's warmth, the storm's cold hold. As your skies turn to twilight gray, a masterpiece born of night and day. The Aussie sky so wide, Becca's beauty